Viewers, welcome to SIK Studio. This is Enscape tutorial 4. In this we will discuss the visual effect of Enscape, the scene creation and how to render your model. So let's get started. Here, the same model I opened. And now, the first thing we need to learn that how can we set the visual effect of Enscape. So as you can see, that here you can see the visual setting of Enscape, and you will see a lot of things, the rendering, which we need to set. First, that there is the auto exposure. We need to off this one and set our own visual, our own exposure. And now, as you can see, that the field of view is different. I can easily change the field of view from here. And these are the some rendering quality, the draft one and the medium one and the high one and the ultra one. So it depends on you which render quality you select. And from here, you can easily the two-point perspective and perspective view easily. And from here, you can change this model to the white, as you can see, and this model to polished hull, and this model to the lighting. Wherever you add the light, that will be seen in the red. So we just need to click on the none. And the other thing, that the outline, you will see that these are the outline, the edges will show in the bold. Now if I click on the image, here you will see a lot of other things. If I change this one, you will see the effect, the lighting, and from here you can easily add shadows. From here you can easily add saturation, and from here you can easily set the color temperature, the ambient light, and motion blur, etc. from here. So this is how. And the other one is the atmospheric one. If you change the background to white, you can easily change the background to white. And now if I click on the sun brightness, you will see the brightness of the sun. But as there is no night sky available, so it does not affect anything. The artificial light that I added anywhere, these are the artificial light that I already added to this. You can easily increase the intensity of these lights. And now here you can see I have selected the clear. It depends on you which one you select. The construction site, the other one, the urban. And if you want to select from your own, so just if you want to select your own, just click on the folder as I already downloaded here. Just click on this. If I click on this, the HDRI, load it. As HDRI is added, you can see my own HDRI is added over here in the background. So now, as you can see, I click on this. The HDRI is also added, and if I want to change this one, I go to the mountains and easily change this one. And from here, I can easily change the sky, density, and the word. The longitude, latitude. So this is how we can easily set all these settings from here. And if you want to change this one, you can change. Now change the daytime and the rendering time. As it is. And go to the capture. And the capture, you will see that what kind of render and which resolution you want to render your view. It depends on you. If you want to add your own, so you can easily add your own window here. And if you click on the show save frame, that will actually in the render setup. And all the things should be as it is, but the resolution should be high. And okay, so all the things are set. And if I click on the window, so it will cover all the desktop, the laptop screen or the LCD screen. So if I click on this, it will show me the save frame. But now, for now, I don't need to click on this. Now we are going to click that how can we create scene in SketchUp. So if you can see here that I want to set the view. If I set this view from here and go to the SketchUp, here you can see the create scene. You need to click on this, create Enscape scene 1, click OK. So the scene is also added here, and now add another scene. Click OK. There are two scenes. If I want to move to the scene 1, so for that purpose, I need to click on this manage views, click on this. So you can see I move to the scene 1. And if I want to move scene 2, so just click on this and move to scene 2. So now it's time to render this scene. So how can you render this scene? There are two different options. If you click on this render image and select the view to render, click on the render, select the folder here you want and click OK. So the render will begin here. In a few seconds, the render will complete. And the other option, if you want to render, you need to press Shift 11. And select the folder from here, name this view and press OK. Now if I click on the visual setting and go to the show save frame, from here custom and show save frame, so now you will see if I press Shift plus F11, so you will see it is showing the save frame. It depends on me which area I want to cover, and then click on the SketchUp, click OK, so you can now render this view. We need the save frame where we want the resolution of our own. So in this video, we have discussed the three things. I hope you understand all these things, all these three topics. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.